Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Acorns early card. First, you'll need to have an active Acorns account yourself. The Acorns early account is designed for children under 18, allowing parents or legal guardians to invest for their future. You must be the parent or legal guardian to open this account. This card helps teach financial literacy early on. Let's dive into the steps to set up your child's account and get their card. To begin, open your Acorns app and locate the Early section. This is where you'll manage your child's investment account. You'll then be prompted to enter your child's details, such as their full name and date of birth. Make sure all information is accurate. Next, you'll link a funding source, like your checking account, to enable contributions to their Acorns early account. This step is crucial for funding their future investments. Once the Acorns early account is set up and funded, you can proceed to order the physical card. Double-check all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Look for the option to order early card within the account management section. You'll then need to confirm your shipping address. The card will be mailed directly to you, typically arriving within 7 to 10 business days. This card is a great tool for teaching responsible spending. When your Acorns early card arrives, activate it right away using the instructions provided in the app. This ensures the card is secure and ready for use. You can also set custom spending limits and monitor all transactions directly from your Acorns dashboard, giving you full control. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. This card is a fantastic way to introduce financial independence to your child.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.